Hi guys, I'm Peng Ru. Today I'll be talking about whether dental insurance covers root canal treatments and crowns. Dental insurance is a form of insurance that helps to cover the cost of your dental treatment. In Singapore, there are various kinds of dental insurances and they all vary in the amount of coverage and the kind of procedures that they cover. Today I will try to break down everything for you. Okay, so let's talk briefly about what root canal treatment and a crown is. So root canal treatment is a form of treatment that aims to help save your tooth, a tooth that is frequently very heavily broken down because of decay, cracks. So the treatment is done so that we can remove the nerve within the tooth and to disinfect and clean up the internal part of the tooth really well to get rid of all the bacteria that is infiltrated into your tooth. And then we'll seal it up to prevent any bacteria from getting back in, and that helps to take away your pain if you have any before the treatment. Frequently, a crown is placed on your tooth after root canal treatment because it would have been weakened by large amounts of decay or a big crack. It helps to protect your tooth and make it look like a tooth again. So when you are seeking dental treatment at clinics, I think it's really important for you to find out if you have any insurance, what kind of procedures they would cover. There would be three main kind of coverages that your insurance may have. So something basic would cover preventive dental treatment, things like just consultations, scaling and polishing, routine x-rays to make sure everything's okay, fluoride treatment after scaling and polishing, and maybe even fissure sealants to kind of prevent your teeth from getting any decay in the future. So that helps to maintain your current oral health, and it serves to prevent big dental problems in the future. Most insurances will also cover the next step up, which is to kind of fix issues that you already have. So treatment that will be covered will be things like fillings and restorations to fix teeth with decay or fillings that are breaking down that are still, relatively small and can be fixed by just a filling replacement. If you have a more severe kind of gum problem, then we will need to do a deeper clean, like scaling and root planing to help to kind of control your gum disease. Simple extractions may also be covered. The final tier will be major coverage, so that would involve treatment that are a lot more extensive and hence costly. Other items on this list would be things like orthodontic treatment, such as braces and Invisalign, and wisdom tooth surgeries. So these are things that are under major coverage and may not be covered under your kind of run-of-the-mill typical dental insurance. There are also other things that you need to take note of with regards to insurance. So one of them is policy limits. Your insurance may have an annual cap or limit, so it's really important that you keep track of this amount because if your treatment exceeds this, you will need to pay out of pocket for the remaining amount of your treatment. It's also important to take note of whether your insurance requires pre-authorisation. That will really just mean that you have to seek approval from insurance before you can get any treatment done to ensure that they actually cover for the cost of your treatment. Certain insurance plans also have network kind of restrictions, so they would have a preferred list of providers that they would want you to seek treatment from. And if you do that, there is a better chance that you get better coverage and reduce out-of-the-pocket expenses. So back to the question, are root canal treatments and crowns covered by your insurance? I have no real answer for you. It really depends, but I would say most of the time, yes. And the reason is because root canal treatment is a treatment that's designed to save your teeth, and that's what we really want to do, right? But it's important to note because different insurances have different coverages. They may have different coverage for front teeth, back teeth. There might be co-payments, so you may have to pay a fraction of the total cost of the treatment. So be sure to check it out before you commit to treatment. The same goes for crowns, but in my experience, crowns are probably less likely to be covered compared to root canal treatments. And I can only guess why, but it may be due to the fact that root canal treatment is the treatment that gets you out of pain, it's the more fundamental kind of treatment that you need to do first. But one important thing to note is crowns that are done for cosmetic reasons, they are most likely not covered. So at Dental Designs Clinic, we are proud to be an accredited provider for many major international insurance companies. So when you book an appointment with us, it'd be good if you can share with us whether you have any dental insurance coverage. So this can help to streamline the billing process on the day of the appointment. If you have any questions at all about the coverage that you have, our staff will be more than happy to answer your questions. When you arrive for your appointment, all you have to do is to show us your identity card and your dental insurance card, and we'll get the registration done for you. Your insurance plan can be either direct claim or self-claim. So if it's direct claim, we'll make the claim for you, and there's no need for you to pay out of pocket for any costs incurred during the appointment. Whereas for self-claim, what you have to do is to make payment first by yourself. We will provide you with the invoice and all the necessary documents that you need to make the claim from your insurance provider. At the end of your appointment, our staff at the front desk will let you know whether there's anything that you need to pay for out of pocket, be it for any treatment that was done that was not covered by your insurance, or if there's any co-payment that you need to fork out for. And now that we have your insurance information in the system, it will be a lot easier when you come back for your future appointments. And of course, let us know if there are any changes to your insurance plans in future appointments. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I really hope to see you at our clinic. See you!